Chef Ricardo this evening. I'm gonna show you how to make an amazing hot drink before you go to your bed tonight. Alright? It's a beautiful one. Simple, but also delicious. Beautiful. Alright, let's turn on the light a little bit. That's looking good. Alright, now alright, we're not gonna keep it short too long tonight. It's gonna be a simple one tonight from Chef Ricardo. Alright, it's beautiful, fantastic, and amazing. Alright, so what we're going to do, I'm going to jump into it and make you guys see exactly what I've been working with. So basically, I got some cloves right here, and you can get this in the local shop or your supermarket to buy. Alright, cloves is very good for you. Have a lot of antiseptic and also very good for detoxing of the body and all these things. Alright, so I got some cloves, I got 2 pieces of lemongrass, I got some bay leaf right here, and also I got some fresh organic ginger. Look at that, beautiful, nice and lovely. Alright, we got some ginger. And also we got some lemon and also some garlic. Alright, we got a little bit of honey if you guys like honey. Now what I'm gonna do, the main thing is to get the ginger ready. Alright, because the ginger is important. Alright, it's a beautiful piece of ginger. So what I'm gonna do, just remove some of the skin off the ginger. Nice one. So I got a nice lovely fat chunk of piece of a ginger right here, and this is what I'm going to be using. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now is grate my ginger. Right, nice one, guys. So basically, I got some ginger which I just grated. I roughly about a teaspoon of ginger. Alright, which we're going to be using. It's beautiful. So what we're going to do, let's put this right here. I'm going to be using this medium-sized pot right here. Alright, that's so you guys can see exactly what's going on in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo this evening. Alright, yeah, fantastic and amazing. Alright, now let's get some water. Alright, so roughly about, I'm going to use about 2 cups of water. Put a little bit more. One. So we're going to be using 2 cups of water. Right, 2 cups of water right there. That's what we're going to be using. It's beautiful. All right, now we got some lemongrass. All right, we're going to put straight into the water. lemongrass. We got some bay leaves. 1, 2, 2.5 bay leaves. Alright, we're gonna put some cloves into the water. Alright. Nice one. So right here, I'm gonna use 1 large tablespoon of ginger, grated ginger. Very good for you. So what you want to do, you want to get 1 lemon, and this lemon I will be removing the skin. So what you want to do, just cut the lemon into 4, put it straight into the water like this. It's a beautiful drink. Alright, now we're gonna get roughly about 3 cloves of garlic to put inside of this. Alright. So the garlic will make the difference. So we got ginger, lemon, cloves, bay leaf, and lemongrass. Alright, now we got 3 cloves of garlic. We're gonna put straight inside of it. That is beautiful. Right, this is a perfect drink for you guys to drink before you go to bed. And not only that, this is very good for detoxing and also very good for weight loss. Alright, so if you're a person who are interested in weight loss, this is very good for you. Alright, for you to drink at home. Alright, yeah. So you got the lemon, and also we got lemongrass, cloves, and some garlic. So we just want to put this to the boil with the ginger for a few minutes, and you guys will see exactly what I'm talking about. Alright, beautiful one, very interesting for you guys to make at home. Alright, so here it is, very looking good. Right, so we just want to get it to the boil for a few seconds. So with the garlic, you need to crush the garlic here, guys, because the garlic is very important for you to crush. Alright, but this recipe is from Chef Andrew. Chef Andrew shared the recipe with me, and I have the ingredients Because, you know, he used to work on a cruise ship, and he said this recipe, this is what helped him on the cruise ship. And I make it the other day, and I tried it. So it's a recipe when you drink it, it makes you sweat a lot. Or you have to drink it early in the morning or when you're going to bed at night time. Alright? But it's a recipe where it make you sweat. When you used to work on a cruise ship, this is where you used to have to drink. Alright? So, yeah, very interesting recipe for you guys to try this one at home. Alright? It's beautiful, but it's good for you to make it fresh every day. It's better for you. What you can do, prep your ingredients and make it. Here it is. Keep boil up for a second. Yeah. So this is looking good. So what you want to do, you just want to mash out the lemon into the water. Alright? What you want to do, guys, don't put the skin into the water because you have to be careful of the skin. Alright? It's better for you to remove the skin. That means you can enjoy it. The skin will be too strong. Nice one. Yeah. But this is a recipe for you where make you sweat a lot. You want to drink this before you go to your bed. So you want to just squeeze out the lemon. Alright, nice. Let's turn off the stove. This is looking really good. Alright, yeah. It's looking really good. I'm interested right here for you guys to make at home, alright? It's a beautiful one. Trust me, you guys definitely will be loving this. It's fantastic and amazing. Wow, that is just amazing. Now, as you can see exactly what's going on. Alright, now, what we're going to do, we're just going to strain it. Alright. Big up my Instagram followers. Thank you so much, guys, for your support. But check out this now, guys. I want you guys to see exactly what's going on. Alright. It's beautiful and very interested for you guys to make at home. Alright. Please give it a try if you're a person who are interested in weight loss and detoxing with natural ingredients, no artificial stuff. Because when I deal with the artificial thing, it have to be real. Okay. So if you are interested in making this a healthy drink at home, this is a recipe for you. Alright, now this kind of cool them a little bit. What you want to do? Run it through your strainer. I'm not going to be drinking after one of this one time, guys. But the beautiful thing about this drink, you can, you know what I mean, make it cool down and you can just drink it as a detoxing water. Beautiful. You want to make sure Squeeze out everything out of it. Nice one. Yeah, amazing. That is lovely and delicious. All right. So this is the way it looks. All right, trust me. This is just a #1 drink we want to try at home. All right, it's a beautiful one, beautiful and lovely. Look at that. Look at the color. All right, this is my one right here. Oh my goodness, that is amazing, lovely, and also delicious. All right, now just rock a few more of the fresh cloves in it. All right, beautiful drink. You guys definitely will love this. All right, so right here I'm just going to drink this. That is lovely. All right, now secondly, if you're a person who like your honey, all right, you can just put a pinch of honey into it. All right, and then so if you drink this for 5 mornings straight or 5 nights straight, definitely you will see some powerful result in your body. All right, and not only that, this can cleanse your body and detox out the body. All right, because of the cloves. You see, the cloves is very good. All right, because they've been using cloves over the last 200,000 years, so cloves are still powerful. But for me personally, I don't like the sugar and honey and all them things. I just drink it natural, organic style. That is amazing. Right? That is lovely. Beautiful, lovely, and also delicious. Yeah, 100%. 100%, guys. You guys will definitely love this one. Alright? Yeah. 100%.